That's fine. So recently one company was closed. What is that? One biggest company, some US's biggest company, USA. Some 50, 60 years back, they started. So Tupperware, one of the biggest company. And what is the success rate of a startup? Why the success rate is just 1% or less than 1%? So majority people don't have clarity, and why I am telling previously Saileja told that people love ideas. If you get one idea, if you started liking it, you can't leave that, and you ignore all the red flags inside it. Okay, and you start building it, and you don't know there is a competition business which is already doing very well in that. Example, you started building a Jepto kind of an app. Is there any use now? Can you compete Jepto or Blinkit